north and has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles west of Cleveland to 27 nautical miles northwest of Milwaukee, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.